It's nice, beautiful glaze, crispy on the outside, may sesame seeds, turon na level up. Gagawin natin, banana rumba! So ito, unahin natin yung turon mismo, the basic turon. And meron akong langka, meron akong lumpia wrappers, and meron akong saging saba. Ang best nito talaga, pag langka, yung very ripe. Pero ito siya, medyo not very, very ripe. Tama lang siya, it's firm. So this will be part of our filling, no? Para talagang masarap at mabango yung ating gagawing turon. This used to be so popular, and I think it's still very popular. And I'm craving turon today, and sabi ko, ay, gagawin ko yon at ituturo ko sa inyo. And this is my version. Siguro, hindi naman siguro masyadong dikit yung aming recipe. Pero, it will give you that memory of Mang Tut's turon. And so, okay na yung aking langka. Put it aside. Then now, I will peel my banana. Tama nito, yung hindi sobrang malatana, no? It's like just right. And I will show you how I do this. Ito, we want slender na turon, hindi yung pareha ng turon ng SM, hindi. Ito siya, iba to. It's a turon na very dainty, very fancy. Pwede ito sa mga catering, mga, di ba, if you have a restaurant, you can serve this. It's simple to do, but we're making it look a little bit more fancy. And alam mo, pag Pinoy, mahilig sa turon. Anywhere you go. And even a lot of foreigners love turon. So yung gagawin natin sa ating turon, gusto natin na sexy yung ating turon. Hindi siya yung turon na very mataba. So ito siya. We will cut it into quarters. Yun, pahaba parang fingers, no? Yan. Let us put this aside. Then, ating langka on the side. So, we will now start assembling. Kailangan natin ng pangdikit. Harina at saka tubig. Yun ang magiging paste natin. So, I have my medium. Actually, pwede mong lagyan ng sugar dito sa loob, which we will not do kasi may glaze tayo. So, ayaw natin ng sobrang tamis na kasi individually wrapped yung ating turon like that. Yan, oh. And we will fold. Yan. So, individual yan, ganyan. This is just flour and water. Yan, no? So, ito yung ating paste. Ang gusto mo mangyari dito, medyo pantay-pantay yung laki niya, no? And it's going to look very beautiful on your plate. People of all ages love turon. Basta Pinoy, parang gusto natin yung turon, no? Mapapatulong ako magbalot dito ng aking turon. Come on, Ronel, help me here. Ito maganda kasi to. You can do this ahead of time. Then, i-freezer mo lang. Pag gusto mong kumain, yun. Prito ka lang. So, ito, habang nagbabalot sila ng ating turon, ako, ito-toast ko yung aking sesame seeds. Ito yung pang-garnish natin later para add a bit of nuttiness. Dapat mainit-init na yung ating pan. This around a tablespoon or so. Konti lang, hindi mo kailangan marami. And we will toast it to bring out the flavor. At saka kung meron kayong gustong matutunan ng mga recipes or gusto nating i-try, mag-comment kayo down below para mag-eksperimento tayo, Ronel. Marami kasing mga pa-twist-twist eh. Diba? Ito, this is a twist, pero naging sikat na siya, popular na siya. Baka may gusto kayo na, may idea kayo na, baka pwede, susubukan natin. Mag-experiment tayo dito. Toasted na. Ito, tatabi na natin tong ating toasted sesame seeds. Now, magpiprito tayo. Very simple, prito-prito. Yan. Siguro dalawang batch siguro to. Ilang batch kaya to? Hindi natin nilagyan ng sugar sa loob kasi we are making a glaze. Usually kasi, di ba, nilalagyan mo ng sugar sa loob. Ito, mas masarap to. O, sabay na natin lahat, oh. We move it around to cook evenly. We want our turon to be cooked evenly and beautiful. At huwag nating madaliin, no? Kasi, kung mamadaliin mo, masusunog yung ating lumpia wrapper. Pero hindi pa siya ganun ka-crispy. So, we want to cook it, no? Medium heat, kahit na medyo matagal-tagal ng konti. Basta, fully tostado yung kanyang wrapper para mas matagal yung lutong niya. And lalagyan natin ng konting rum. Kaya, rumma. Diba? Rum. Pero gusto ko rumba. Di ba may sayaw na rumba? Yun. And look at that. Napakaganda ng ating turon. Let's put it aside kasi gagawin na natin yung ating glaze. So, ito siya. And ito, gagamitin ko yung aking same kawali, pero tatabi ko yung oil. And ito, using this, I will add my sugar, brown sugar, and we will melt this, no? Gagawin natin caramel. And we will be using butter, a little bit of pineapple juice, konting cream, at ito, meron tayong alak. Konti. Siguro mga 2-3 tablespoons. Optional siya. Pwedeng wala. Pero ito, lalagyan ko for that nice aroma. But you can replace this with vanilla. Pero mga bata, you don't have to worry. Kasi once we cook off the alcohol, wala na siyang alak. What is left is yung flavor and aroma. Nagme-melt na yung ating sugar. Oh. Look at that. And now, I will add my rum. Ingat tayo. Ingat. Yan. Flambe! Now, I will add my pineapple juice. Konti lang pineapple, siguro mga 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. Let that melt and combine. Ito na yung ating syrup. Tunawin natin yung ating sugar. And ako, I will add a bit of salt para lumabas yung linamnam, no? Because my butter is unsalted butter. And I want that kontra-tamis para hindi nakakaumay. Yan. Then, we turn it off. Then, we add our cream, all-purpose cream or evap. Konti lang. Just for some richness. Mix natin. And add our butter. So, 1 or 2 tablespoons of butter. A little bit more. If you're using salted butter, wag mo nang asinan yung inyong caramel, ha? Let that mix, let that dissolve. And now, eto na yung magpapasarap ng ating turon. Add our turon back into our kawali. And now we will just toss. So you have to toss it, no? Evenly, ganyan, no? So that the turon is properly coated in our caramel glaze. Look at that, oh. Tamang-tama lang, oh. Bango, di ba? And ito, ating sesame seeds. We will sprinkle our sesame seeds. Pero maingat kayo dito, ha, kasi mainit to. Mapapasok kayo. Huwag masyadong matakaw. Huwag masyadong atat, no? It's beautiful. It's perfect. Diba? Tamang-tama lang yung glaze natin. Everything is coated evenly, pero hindi siya yung masyadong overly sweet, no? Kasi manipis lang yung ating glaze. Comment down below, ilan yung makakain nyo dito. At huwag tayong magkunwari. O, diba? And you let that cool down a bit. And now, let's cool that and we will plate in a while. It's a tower of turon. Look at that. When you serve this in a party, get together, potluck, Sunday lunch, or dinner with friends, family, barkada, or whoever, bestseller ito for sure. Ito siya. It's nice, beautiful glaze. May sesame seeds, crispy on the outside, and in the inside, napakasarap dahil sa banana and langka, mabango, matamis. Try this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Hindi lang ako nagluluto doon. May kasama din tayong ibang mga chefs. And also, we have other features to make your lives more delicious. Diba? Living made simple. Kaya eto siya. Ating recipe for today. Banana rumba ala Mang Tats. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.